Good morning, student. This video is important for you because this video is comprising about the detail for you how you make a project report for your business studies. This video is important for those students whose topic is on fuel principle, that is chapter 2. First of all, look at the project report, how you give them cover up. Okay, cover it, make name, write your name, class, section and your topic of business studies project file. The one whose topic is chapter 2 fuels principle have to paste the picture of Henry Fuel or the companies that is they choose for their research. Next page is similarly your name page, where you write down your name, your subject and project file. Come to the next, that is your acknowledgement. लास्ट ईयर आप लोग जो फाइल बना रहे थे उसमें एक्नॉलेजमेंट प्रिंटेड था, अब ये आपने हैंडमेड बनाना है. नेक्स्ट पेज इज अबाउट योर सर्टिफिकेट, दैट इज अ सर्टिफिकेशन एंड ड्यूली साइंड बाय द टीचर. एंड नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट योर इंडेक्स. अब इंडेक्स किस तरीके से बनानी है, जैसे यहाँ पर कंटेंट है, हमने एक्नॉलेजमेंट लिखा, सर्टिफिकेट का पेज लगाया, देन इंडेक्स में हिस्ट्री. हिस्ट्री इज अबाउट योर कंपनी. जैसे अब ये जो फाइल है ये KFC पर बनी हुई है, तो यहाँ पे KFC की हिस्ट्री लिखी बच्चे ने पूरी, देन KFC के प्रोडक्ट्स की और रिप्रेजेंटेशन देखिए किस तरीके से प्रेजेंटेशन बच्चे की. द नेक्स्ट इज इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट KFC. ओके, हिस्ट्री. हिस्ट्री में आपने लिखना है कि कब कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई, किस तरीके से वो कंपनी का टर्नओवर रहा. देन अबाउट इंट्रोडक्शन, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फूड, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ दे आर सर्विंग. नेक्स्ट इज KFC लोगो. ओके, इट्स लोगो. नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट फ्यूल प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. You have to be clarify all the 14 principles of Henry Fuel. The first fuel is division of work. First of all, you have to define it, then positive effect, its efficiency, and at the last questionnaire that you are verifying that this principle is applicable in company. इसमें जो टेबल बनेगी that is called question, is this principle applicable? Yes, no and no response. The total of the candidate remains same throughout the 14 principle. Students are making mistakes that their number of candidate has been changed from each principle. No, because you are working in the same company or organization, so number of candidate isn't changed. Similarly, yes, no और no response और 3 कॉलम बनेंगे और टोटल जो 14 प्रिंसिपल रहेगा इस क्वेश्चनियर टेबल का, that will remain the same. Okay. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज अथॉरिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. हर एक प्रिंसिपल का आपको जो है डायग्राम बनाना है लेफ्ट पेज पर. डिफाइन इट, इज पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट, इज देन क्वेश्चनियर, टोटल सेम 30. रिस्पॉन्सेस में 3 ही आपके आंसर रहेंगे प्रिंसिपल के, येस, नो और नो रिस्पॉन्स, क्योंकि समटाइम्स द कैंडिडेट्स आर नॉट able to give you the description. The next is discipline. Similarly, discipline should be there. See that the students making the person who show the watch punctuality discipline is following there. Then its effect, same, questionnaire. So in this kind, this is unity of command, its diagram, and again questionnaire, unity of direction, then positive effect, and then its questionnaire. And please concentrate on your spellings on headings. If your spellings of heading is wrong, then it's give a bad impact on your supervisor. Next is subordination of individual interest to general interest. Again, make diagram on the left page, then questionnaire, remuneration of employees, centralization and decentralization, then scalar chain, after that order. Same procedure is followed on each and every principle. Equity के बाद next is stability of personnel, initiative, and the last one is aspirate de corps. You have to make the diagram of each and every principle when you define the principle, its positive effect, and at last questionnaire will be made. At the last, when questionnaire, all 14 principles are defined, the next topic is about questionnaire table. Questionnaire table is making in that sense serial number, principle, applicable and not applicable. Now conclusion will be there. Conclusion of bibliography. Bibliography is about the information of those books and website you visited for making this project report. Okay, so you write यहाँ पर आप जैसे बच्चे ने लिखा है www.wikipedia.com, google.com, these are the website that they are taking the help. And book is Business Studies NCERT in Poonam Gandhi, written by Poonam Gandhi or Alka Dhawan, whatever you choose. And at last, teacher's remark, where I signed your file and duly signed your file and give the remark about your project report. So this is the sample of chapter number 2. Okay, I will also send the PDF of this file also in the study group, and the link of this video. You have to follow this for making the project. Bye bye. Take a screenshot of this content also.